So once you've started doing your fusion model, what you do is you open up and you've got this new file which will come up saying untitled. Because I know what I'm going to make, I'm going to go in here and go save. Save it. Mine's in the fish called Bob. And what I'm going to call this one here is when you've got the shows it's all okay. That's good. If it's not saved, you'll have a little next to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is sketch. So that sketch. One doc. Here have a few different options. And type in 80, and there's now 80 millimeters. And if I hit the tab button, it will move out of the box. And then just get the now. So we'll now have so next option is 3 millimeter here. So go extrude, come down, and what it wants you to do is 3 millimeter so and now we have a real shape. I'm going to use okay. Now the song. I hit the D. Also modify it using the dimension tool. Which under down the bottom here, sketch dimension. You can also see the blue. So I'm going to hit and you can see it's a 43. I want it to be 40. Yeah, we'll check. Cool. So next thing we're going to go constraint. So that notice that it's all blue. I'm going to here. D keyboard shortcut. Set here that. So it's all D. Escape. So different D and escape. All cube. Roll out, which is now on the next it's also now I'm doing one side through and some to be that thing you can see how it's gone red? That means it wants to cut the shape. You can change from cut to new body. And also, big, so probably we'll change that to maybe 100. Cool. And I'll probably change the front one to 20, so that'll be enough. Cool. And now we're going to I've only got one issue. So if we come in here, this little browser, two of these, and this one here has a cutout in it. So what we're going to do is we want to block out of the space we put. So to fix that, we're going to modify, and we go combine, and target body, the thing we want to cut away from is this one, and the tool body is going to be this one here. The operation we want to do, we don't want to join, we don't want to intersect, we want to keep the tools, and then you're going to go. So now when you look at you can see there's a slight difference with the way the lines are joined here. If you go into here, that's got a slide out of it, and that's got a slide out of it. So these two things go together perfectly. I'm just going to do a couple of another little modifications now to make sure we're ready to laser cut. And that's going to cut, I'm going to cut a hole for the charging port through here, and I'm going to cut a little place through here for the charging cable to go once it's routed. So I'm going to create a sketch and create a rectangle. Now, what I want to do here is I want to make it so it's really, it's quite wide, but basically no phones could fit it. So I'll make this either here, dimension. And I'd say the thinnest phone I can think of would probably be 10 millimeters, and I got 8. And the next one I'm going to do is we made it 80 wide. I reckon there won't be anything less than 50, so I've made it to 15. And there's one part that's locked in. I'll change it to 50. So it'd have to be a really tiny phone for it to fit through the gap. So finish sketch. Come here. And just drag that through. Cool. And then we've got one more part to do, which is the cable through here. So I'm going to go create sketch. And you can make this pretty as well. This is just the same point. And then we'll go finish sketch. And you can actually make it, this one's actually not very symmetrical, but it doesn't really matter. You can use the dimension tool to make that perfect. Whoop, cancel, click the wrong thing. So you can cancel. Well, the other thing I could have done is I could have gone Control Z, so under this. That's better. Just be a wee bit careful where you're clicking. So this is a very, very, very basic phone dot. If you're wanting to make it rounded edges, you can use the bullet tool, which is quite fun. And we can make that 40 millimeters, so it makes it curved. Also, something you could do is you could find a brand that you'd like to stick on here, but I'll save that for another